Oh, my father. I have been looking everywhere for you. You left without telling me about Section 1031B.
1031B covers transaction exchanges that involve not solely like-kind property. In some like-kind exchanges, the taxpayer will receive cash or other property in addition to like-kind property. This additional property is called boot. A gain or loss will be recognized, but only to the extent of boot that is received.
Do you know what time it is? Example time.
If, in our previous example, taxpayer exchanged the same $200,000 building, and still had a basis of $140,000, for a building worth $180,000 plus $20,000 in cash, he would recognize $20,000 gain on the transaction. Section 1031B requires that taxpayer recognize a gain on the transaction because he received boot. However, because the recognized gain is limited by the amount of boot received, only $20,000 of the realized $60,000 gain is recognized. However, if taxpayer had received a $100,000 building plus $100,000 in cash, he would recognize the entire $60,000 realized gain. Because the amount of boot received is greater than the amount of realized gain, there is no limit on the amount of realized gain which must be recognized. Instead, the entire amount of realized gain is recognized.
What happens when there is a loss?
If a taxpayer realizes a loss in an exchange involving boot, Section 1031C provides that the taxpayer does not recognize the loss. If our taxpayer exchanged his building with a basis of $140,000 for a $100,000 building plus $20,000 in cash, he would realize a loss of $20,000. However, Section 1031C provides that no loss shall be recognized. Rather, the $20,000 loss is preserved in the new property. So, according to the earlier formula, basis an old property of $140,000 minus cash received of $20,000 plus gain recognized of 0 equals basis and new property of $120,000.
That sucks.
Thus, if taxpayer sells the new building for its fair market value of $100,000 while he has a basis in the new building of $120,000,
he would then be able to recognize his loss of $20,000.
it is all relative.